Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and now we're going to talk about what are the upcoming trades for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So guys, and if you also want to trade, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. And in case you don't know how to trade, I've got the best trading course out there for you. Check out cryptodealers.com. Everything you need to become a professional trader. Yeah, so check it out. So let's talk about what's going on here. Let's switch to the hourly time frame. Basically, it's easy at the moment. All we have to watch is this pattern here. Yeah, we had this breakdown here, as you can see, from this pattern, and now we have some kind of consolidation phase. And as you can see here, we are forming some kind of a broadening wedge here, and we could also call it a bearish pennant because it's more likely to break out to the downside since we had this move in it from the upside here. So what you should do, first of all, guys, congrats if you took the trade, this short trade that led into this pattern here. If you took some profits, great. If you are still in the trade, just yeah, see what's gonna happen, because the question right now is, if you're standing on the sideline and you're not in a trade, let me tell you what you should do. You should watch this pattern and you should set alarms, first of all, on this line acting as resistance and this line acting as support. Set your alarms here, because once this pattern breaks, there will be a huge move, I would say. And yeah, since we cannot predict the future, we just react accordingly to what the market shows us. Yeah, so that's why you should, if you have a lot of time, then just watch this pattern all the time. No, just set your alarms on these lines, and then once we have a breakout, react to this accordingly. Yeah. I can also show you what we can expect to happen once this breaks. As you can see here, we have some, let's go to the 4-hourly. As you can see here, we have some zones that will act as support or resistance depending on the direction we see the breakout. As you can see here, we have this huge zone here, this green zone and this green zone down here. So no matter in which direction we will break out, this will be, so to say, the first stop. If you would break out to the upside, then this would be the first stop if you break out to the downside, where you could then potentially take some profits and then see what the market shows us. Yeah, if you want to see the bigger picture, let me show you guys. This is these are the next support and resistance levels, as you can see here. But as of right now, we just have to watch the pattern that I showed you before, and this will be the next zones to watch, where the Bitcoin price will stop for some time, at least, I would say. So then let's switch to Ethereum. Let's go back to the hourly time frame to show you. As you can see here, we have a similar scenario. We had the breakdown out of this pattern here, and now we are also forming this continuation pattern here. So sooner or later this pattern will break. So same situation as for Bitcoin, set your alarms, one here, and according to what the market shows us in which direction we'll break out, then you can trade accordingly. If you're standing on the sideline and if you're still in the short trade, it's always good to take some profits. And if you would break out to the upside, then you're in a short trade, you could potentially close it or see what the market shows us. And if you break to the downside, you could even scale up your trade. And let me also show the next levels to watch in case we break this pattern. Let's go to the bigger picture here. As you can see here, we traded in this descending broadening wedge, as you can see here, and once we would break out to the upside, this turquoise line will act as resistance. Yeah, so to break, let's say, really bullish, to flip bullish, we would have to break this turquoise line. Yeah, first of all, the pattern that I just showed you, and then we would have to break this turquoise line, and then the next resistance level would be at $1,763. And if you would break to the downside, you see the levels here at 1,639 and 1,600 around this price level. Yeah, so this should be the next stops in case we break the pattern that I just showed you before, guys. Yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.